So I want to turn this tub full of sand into a pool. You'll notice that as I drop these objects in the tub, it acts just like a day at the beach. The balls are stopped and drop. I'm gonna pump air into this tub from the bottom. And when I do this, this becomes a fluidized airbed. Notice that balls float, they move across, and objects sink just like they do in a pool. The moment I turn off the air though, everything is frozen in place. Watch what happens when I turn off the sand. It pretty much freezes immediately. So why is this? Why does this happen? Well, when I pump the air in through the bottom, that's creating upwards force on each little bead of sand. That upward force is counteracting the force of gravity. And so the sand essentially moves about like a liquid. Whereas when I turn off the air, everything stops moving and the sand acts as a solid. So I move my hand in through the sand, I move it through real easily, just like it was water. And the moment I turn off the air, my hand has a much harder time moving.